Welcome to a world where limited square meters don't limit imagination. In today's video, we explore how tiny houses can deliver big style, refined comfort, and true luxury through intelligent architectural design. Tiny living is no longer just about downsizing. It's about upgrading quality, efficiency, and aesthetics. By combining smart planning with premium design strategies, a small space can feel expansive, elegant, and deeply personal. Luxury in a tiny house isn't defined by size, but by experience. High-end tiny homes focus on thoughtful layouts, tactile materials, and seamless functionality. Every corner serves a purpose while contributing to a cohesive visual story. Architects prioritize comfort, flow, and craftsmanship, ensuring the home feels intentional rather than cramped. This shift redefines luxury as precision, balance, and intelligent use of space. The foundation of a stunning tiny house lies in smart space planning. Open layouts, minimal corridors, and multifunctional zones allow spaces to work harder without feeling crowded. Architects often design around daily routines, ensuring movement feels natural. By eliminating unused areas and designing with purpose, even a compact home can feel fluid, organized, and surprisingly spacious. Open concept design is a key luxury secret in tiny houses. By blending the kitchen, dining, and living areas into one continuous space, visual boundaries disappear. High ceilings, large windows, and consistent flooring enhance the sense of openness. This approach not only maximizes light and airflow, but also creates a modern, upscale atmosphere that rivals much larger homes. Material selection plays a major role in transforming a tiny house into a luxury retreat. Natural wood, stone textures, matte metals, and soft textiles add warmth and sophistication. Using fewer materials, but using them consistently, creates visual harmony. High-quality finishes instantly elevate the space, proving that luxury is more about material integrity than quantity. Luxury tiny houses rely heavily on built-in furniture and concealed storage. Custom cabinetry, wall-integrated shelving, and stair storage reduce clutter while enhancing aesthetics. Furniture that folds, slides, or transforms adds flexibility without sacrificing style. These clever solutions keep the home visually clean, functional, and calm, an essential ingredient of luxury living. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in small space design. Layered lighting, combining natural light, ambient fixtures, task lighting, and accent lights, adds depth and mood. Warm tones create intimacy, while hidden LED strips highlight architectural details. In a tiny house, good lighting doesn't just illuminate, it shapes the entire emotional experience of the space. Even in a tiny house, kitchens and bathrooms can feel premium. Sleek appliances, handle-less cabinets, stone countertops, and minimalist fixtures create a high-end look. Smart layouts ensure efficiency without crowding. Spa-inspired bathrooms with walk-in showers and refined finishes show that comfort and indulgence are possible, no matter the size of the home. Connecting indoor spaces to the outdoors is a powerful luxury strategy. Large sliding doors, patios, decks, or rooftop terraces visually extend the living area beyond the walls. This connection brings in light, fresh air, and nature, making the home feel larger and more serene. Outdoor spaces become extension of the interior, enhancing daily living. A stunning tiny house proves that great design isn't about square footage. It's about intention. Through smart planning, refined materials, and thoughtful details, small spaces can deliver big style and lasting comfort. Luxury in tiny living comes from clarity, efficiency, and emotional connection. When architecture is done right, even the smallest home can make a powerful statement.